Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It's Sunday. Today's shave soap is by Stirling Soap Company, and this is Mountain Man. I just love that label. I always wanted to do an outside shave with this, but never really got around to it. And the area that I wanted to go to, it's a little bit of a hike, and you guys know my current situation. I can't do it right now, but here's what the soap looks like. If you're familiar with this scent, you'll know what the scent profile is right here. It is a dupe to the Creed Mountain Silver Water, or is it Silver Mountain Water? Anyway, it's one of those. I've got the matching splash here in the Glacial. Going to be using some Star Jelly to follow that up. I've got it whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and for some reason this soap was really thirsty. Either that or I got too much of a heaping spoon. But anyway, I used 1/4 teaspoon and 16 mils of water. Now, I probably better loosen up my flannel here and get lathered up. I'm using a Trotters handcraft brush. This is a 26 millimeter badger knot. And it's just so nice. You know, I've never really had anybody ask me why my profile picture on YouTube is me holding a chainsaw. And I kind of thought that, you know, this soap, or at least the label on it, there's the lather. My brain's all over the place. I just figured I would tell the story. And I'll tell it while I'm shaving. All right, so today's razor is going to be this beautiful Dovo Bergischer Löwe, or Bergischer Lion. And man, this is just a beautiful razor. It is a 6/8 carbon steel blade, and that's what I'm going to be using today. Got a little sponge here that I'm going to wipe off all the lather with. But anyway, my profile picture here on YouTube was a picture that I took at work with a Stihl 660, and I do road construction, but I also do a lot of things outside of that as far as maintenance wise, and some of that is felling trees and trimming trees and stuff. And that particular picture, I just changed the bar out at the shop, and I told my buddy Craig to take a picture of me. Well, later I had seen a thing for Duluth, which I love the Duluth clothing. This is one of the shirts. And anyway, they had a competition for, you know, doing some kind of mountain man type stuff. I can't remember exactly what it was called, but anyway, I submitted that picture and I actually won a $500 gift card. So that's that. Anyway, let's go ahead and get the shave on. Pass number 1 with the grain. I might be tagging a few people in this video. Like Sean. Oh yes, Eric. I'm thinking about even tagging what's his name? Leon. Why didn't I think of it? I have yet to have any of those guys say anything about my reversed hand technique. I don't know why I really do that, but probably because I can't see. And you would think I would switch hands and do the same thing with this hand, but I never do. And I gotta be careful because Sean was doing a video the other day, and if you guys seen it, you'll know why I'm laughing. He titled his video something to the effect of "Are straight razors dangerous?" And he got so carried away in his video that he shaved off his mustache. So I got to be careful, because I don't want to shave off any of my goatee. I need to change my angle up a little bit. That's one of those things, I really use my screen on my phone, and even though where my screen's at and the camera part on my phone, it's only maybe 3 inches away, but when I look into the camera, my eyes are here. If I look at myself shaving, it's here. You wouldn't think 3 inches would make that big of a difference. It sure does. Just like when your lather starts drying up. I will say, in my opinion, I really do like Stirling soaps, but when it comes to straight razor shaving, it's just not as slick as some of the other soaps. And I guess that's where either making it a little bit more bloopy or pre-shave might come in. But I mean, I've got it pretty bloopy. I might need to put a little pre-shave on there, whether it be the cube or what have you. I feel like I've done a lot of talking and not as much shaving. I'm not as quick talking and straight razor shaving as I am with the DE. But that just comes with the territory, I guess. Did you guys survive the Black Friday and Thanksgiving deals? I did. I think a lot of the stuff that used to be done as far as Black Fridays, a lot more of it's done online instead of getting up early or staying up late to do all that. My sponge is not quite big enough. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Nice. No weepers, gushers, or bleeders. I did do a little bit of cold water, so my face is a little bit, I don't know, looks red, but all right, gonna mix this splash up a little bit here. For some reason, whoever put that restrictor in there, they put it in there really deep. I need a little bit more because I didn't put enough on there. Star jelly. Comment below and let me know if you like watching the straight razor shaves, or comment below on the people that you do like watching the straight razor shaves, and I'll check out their channel, because I don't always see everybody's videos. There's some people that are viewers and subscribers. I try to click on your name to see if you're a content creator or not, but sometimes you guys just slip through and I don't even know. So I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend. You want to see something disgusting?